Supabase or Firebase? If you're building an app in 2025, this decision matters. Let's cut through the noise and see which one actually fits your project. And hey, if this helps, smash that like button and subscribe for more dev content. Firebase, Google's battle-tested backend platform, no SQL databases, real-time sync, built-in AI tools, and deep Google Cloud integration. Perfect for fast prototyping and mobile apps. Supabase, the open-source challenger built on PostgreSQL. SQL database, row-level security, self-hosting option, and no vendor lock-in. Great for developers who want control and transparency. Let's get into what actually matters. Database structure. Firebase uses NoSQL Firestore, stores data as JSON documents. Flexible, schemaless, great for chat apps or dynamic feeds. But complex queries, you'll hit walls fast. Supabase runs on PostgreSQL, full SQL power, foreign keys, joins, advanced queries. If your data has relationships, Supabase wins here. Real-time features. Firebase's real-time sync is legendary offline first, instant updates across devices. It's unbeatable for multiplayer games or live dashboards. Supabase has real-time too, using Postgres Listen, Notify, and you get SQL filters on live queries, way more precise control. Security. Firebase uses security rules, JavaScript-like syntax, easy to start but messy at scale. Supabase has row-level security built into Postgres database native fine-grained permissions using SQL, more powerful if you know SQL vendor lock-in. Here's the big one. Firebase is proprietary. Your data lives in Google's ecosystem. Migrating out, painful. Supabase is open source. PostgreSQL, export your database anytime. Self-host if you want. You own your data. Pricing. Firebase charges per read, write, delete cost can spike unpredictably as you scale. Supabase uses tiered pricing with unlimited API requests, more predictable for data-heavy apps. Bottom line, choose Firebase if you need blazing fast prototyping, rock-solid mobile features, and don't mind Google's ecosystem. Choose Supabase if you value SQL databases, open-source freedom, and want to avoid vendor lock-in as you scale. That's Supabase versus Firebase in 2025. Drop a comment. Which one are you using? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.